On today's episode of Will It Ice Cream, we are just doing coffee. I'm a big coffee drinker. I can't leave the house without one and probably can't survive the day without another 3, 4 or 5. But will it churn in the cheapest ice cream machine I could find on Amazon? Who knows? Let's try it. Now, first thing we've got to do is make a cup of coffee and let it cool down. I'm going to use Nescafe Azera. This is a Grindsmith combo. This is a collaboration between them. This is really nice. I don't normally use cream. This is a very American thing, cream in coffee. But my thinking is, you know, we got to try and get this as creamy somehow. I'm not going to attempt to put this one in the freezer. We're just going to make the coffee, get it cold, stick it in the ice cream machine and see what it tastes like. So let's just get stuck in. Kettle's just boiled. Let's make a cup of coffee. I'll see you in about an hour. And we're back. It's stone cold. It looks rank. Let's get the ice cream machine out, stick it on here, and do the thing with the stuff. Put that in there. And let's go. This thing's been going for 30 minutes. I think the answer is no. So, will your morning cup of coffee made with cream turn into ice cream just by putting it in an ice cream machine? No is the answer to that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.